All right, this is the last notes for 1.4. This is 1.4C. Again, it's in your packet with 1.4A and 1.4B. So last physical property that you're going to learn about is solubility. So solubility is the amount of a substance that can be dissolved in another substance. So it's how much of something can be dissolved into something else. So there's different parts to a solution. There's a bunch of S words that you're going to learn here. So solute is the substance that's being dissolved. So for an example, in salt water, you got salt and water mixed together, right? And it creates salt water. Your solute is the salt because the salt is being dissolved in water. So salt is being dissolved in water. That is your solute. Your solvent, so a solvent is the substance that is solvent is the substance that is doing the dissolving. So for our example with salt water, solvent is the water. The water is dissolving the salt. Water. Oh, also another thing, water is the most common solvent. So when you put a solvent and a solute together, you create a solution. So solution is created when a solute is dissolved in a solvent. So for example, in salt water, the solution is our salt water. So we've got salt, right? And we've dissolved it in water, and we've created salt water. Salt water is our solution. So in summary, solubility is the amount of solute, which is in our example is salt, because salt is dissolved, that can be dissolved in the solvent, which in our example is water, to create a solution. The salt plus the water creates our solution, which is salt water. All right, so go ahead and move on to your solubility lab.